A long integer is another type of integer that instead of 4 bytes takes 8 bytes of memory. In order to both declare and instantiate a long integer, we type long int e equals 69420. Let's say. Now, why did we type the same keyword long twice? Well, that is because this integer is actually a long integer C. The reason why we don't type long is because if we simply type integer, then the long is already implied, basically. So that means that this is a long integer, this is a short integer, and this is a long integer. If we only typed long integer, then this would mean that this is simply an integer which will take 4 bytes of memory instead of 8. Since this takes 8 bytes of memory, that means that the minimum and maximum value of this variable, which this variable can store, is huge. It goes from negative 9 quintillion to positive 9 quintillion. In order to print a long integer to the terminal, type printf, 2 parentheses and a semicolon, double quotes. Now instead of D, we type LLD. This stands for long, and then D. The comma, and then we type E. Save this. Compile this. And then we run this. We get the value of our long integer 69420.